Hello friends, this is your compassionate compadre here. Hope you're all having a great day today. Now, a happy life is a life which we all dream of. A happy life is a life which we all would like to live. So now when we ask the question to ourselves, like what are the certain things which lead to a happy life, some say that having lots of money leads to a happy life. Some say that being grateful with whatever we have leads to a happy life. So today I would like to share 3 aspects which lead to a happy life. The very first aspect which lead to a happy life is be okay with what ultimately you can't do because there is so much that you can do. Now we human beings, we like to do certain activities. We like to play certain sports. We like to spend our time on doing activities which you would like to do. So spend your time, focus on those activities, place those sports which you like. So by doing the activities which you like, playing the sports that you like, makes you to feel better, makes you to feel happier, and as a result, you feel much better of yourself by doing activities which you like. The very second aspect which leads to a very happy life is surround yourself with people that you want to be around with. Now, when we surround ourselves with negative people, our thoughts and our intentions are generally negative. We have poor self-confidence, and as a result, the result that we would like to achieve, in the sense of certain targets which we would like to achieve, become less possible when we surround ourselves by negative people. Now, when we surround ourselves with positive people, our thoughts, our actions are generally much better. We have a much better self-confidence, and as a result, the targets that you would like to achieve become much possible by having positive people around us. So now who are these positive people? Who are these right people? These positive people or these right people are generally our family members, our close circle of friends, our loved ones, our teachers. So no matter how much big of a success we achieve in our lives, we feel much better of ourselves, or we feel at our best, or we feel at our peak when we surround ourselves by these positive people. So who are these positive people again? Our family, our close circle of friends, our teachers, and our loved ones. So appreciate your family. Appreciate your family, appreciate your teachers, appreciate your friends, appreciate your loved ones, because those are the people who create the real positive influence in your life, and those are the people whom love you, care you, and support you in the best way possible. Now, the very final aspect which leads to a happy life is having a forward state thinking of mind, that is looking forward mentality. So this looking forward mentality involves always looking forward towards something. Now this something that you're looking forward to, it doesn't necessarily have to be something big. Sometimes it can be even something small as looking forward to a next football match is coming up, or looking forward to hanging out with your friends, or looking forward to spending vacation with your family. So always by looking forward, we focus on the present scheme of things, rather than wasting our energy on focusing on the past heartbreaks or on the past disappointments that has happened to us. So now when we look forward, it doesn't mean that whatever bad that is going to happen to us along the journey, we are going to ignore that. No. Whatever bad which happens to us, we accept that bad, we acknowledge that bad, and we work on how to move on from that bad, or how to move on from the disappointment that is going to happen to us, or that has happened to us along the journey. And I would like to share another thing is be grateful with whatever you have. Okay, whatever smallest blessings you have, be grateful for it. Because if you take breathing fresh air, for us, we are able to breathe fresh air, alhamdulillah, easily. For some, breathing fresh air is not possible. For some, eating 3 times a day is also not possible. So be grateful for whatever blessing that you have. Hope you all liked the video. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope you're all fine and healthy. Take care, and thanks for watching.